You will need 2 jars. This is just a half-size mason jar. Mason jars have 2 openings. This is the large opening. It's about the same size as a jar. That's what you want, not the smaller opening. Here's another size. This is a good size too. You will need a lid for each of those jars. It doesn't have to screw on. It could be anything. Tin foil just has to rest on it and close it. You need a spoon. Ingredients wise, right away you'll need salt. Any kind of salt works. I like this kind. You'll need water. It's the best to let it sit overnight to get rid of any chlorine that's in your tap water. And you'll also need unbleached, is the critical part here, all-purpose flour. I like Bob's because we actually noticed that there's a difference in the quality of the bread with Bob's. It's better at this. That's what you'll need immediately. Later, you'll need some kind of white rice flour. This doesn't matter what type it is. You will need parchment paper. That's the critical part. Do not use wax paper. It's got to be parchment paper. It matters. Oh, and immediately you'll also need some kind of kitchen scale that measures in grams. And, of course, tears. You can see it says 0 down there. Or it did. When you bake it, you will need a Dutch oven. That's critical too, and I just ordered this on Amazon. You can see I've been baking bread in it, and it's a Lodge. And this is how big is this? It's really heavy. Oh, it says $8. It says on the bottom 7 and 8 DOL. What the hell does that mean? I don't know. Anyway, it's a Lodge. Doesn't matter. There's other brands too. And the other thing you'll need eventually when you bake it is this is called it's a razor blade. I can't remember. It's got a word. But a straight edge razor. This is just a tool to hold it. But you can just take a flat edge razor. Straight edge? Whatever they're called. Doesn't have to have a tool. I just know I would slice off my finger. That is everything you should need to get started in the end of lesson 1.